Out of all of the weekends that we could have chosen Stockholm, we chose the one that involved the Stockholm Marathon for 2026. So it is going to be hot, it is going to be busy, but we are ready. So let's get to Stockholm. Let us jump straight into our arrival into Stockholm Arlanda Airport. In 2025, Stockholm Arlanda Airport welcomed 24 million visitors. Grab a screenshot of this so you are aware of Terminal 2, 4, and 5 hosting all of the international flights, Terminal 3 being the domestic. Remember that the passport control area is in Terminal 5, the F gates. Besides that, you don't need your passport. You're in the Schengen region, so just bounce around and enjoy the airport. Let's go straight back into the airport, into the duty-free section, which is pretty well catered all throughout the Arlanda Airport. The arrival and departure is all on the same gate, so you will be walking around just looking for that exit, which is pretty straightforward nowadays, and eventually you will find the exit. Arlanda Airport from first impressions is not the bling bling of Doha or Singapore, but it is efficient. On this journey to Stockholm, we are actually just traveling with hand luggage, so it's going to be a straightforward exit once I go through these doors that leads to the baggage collection area. Next up is the transfer to Stockholm City, but before you collect your bag or after you collect your bag, don't forget to use the bathroom because it's a bit of a journey, and take a screenshot of this to understand the cost and time used in catching these transfers. On this occasion, we are taking the commuter train, so we're jumping on this bus just outside the terminal. It's going to take us to a train station called Master. Nicola, can you move in front of them? Thank you. So this Master station is roughly about 12 minutes from the airport, and I have just purchased a 72-hour pass on the SL app, and that is including the ticket from the airport to the train station and from the train station to central Stockholm. And I spoke to one of the locals and tried to pay that 190 extra surcharge, and he said, "Mate, don't worry about it." Actually, he said it in a more of a Swedish accent, not an Australian. But anyway, let's get to this train station. By the way, the train carriages are really modern and very clean, so I was very impressed. Marsta, that is the place. Marsta to Stockholm Central. And this journey takes roughly about 40 minutes. The announcements are very clear on the train. Also, the labels are very clear, so you won't miss Stockholm Central. Once you are at Stockholm Central, you can use the SL app to use the metro services to get to other parts of the city. They also have car services like Bolt to get around the city. Take a screenshot of this train service from Master to Stockholm Central. Now let's get to the airport for our departure from Stockholm back to Norway. We actually took the same train service from Stockholm Sea to Master and then a bus to the terminals. Once we are at Stockholm, no passports are required because we're in the Schengen region, and we just walked in. There are many dining options and duty-free shops and restaurants all over the terminals, so you won't get bored or hungry in that case. However, I do advise coming there slightly early as there is a lot of walking involved to get to the gates. Lead the way. Anyway, that is it from Stockholm Airport. It is easy, it is efficient, it is a great airport to navigate through. Don't forget to catch the rest of the Stockholm series on the channel. Till then, take care of yourself and don't forget to like and subscribe and be amazing.